Hey guys, Kerry, or AKA Old Goat in the Woods. Getting ready for an outing here coming up in a couple of weeks with Scout Troop, going down to Grimes Canoe Base down south of Linden, Tennessee. So it's a few hours from here. But on some of my outings, I'm in locations when it's sometimes wet, i.e., my Jackson Falls Unfrozen video. And if you watch that one, you know that lost a lot of footage during that time frame. And if I didn't have my cell phone, probably wouldn't have had any video of the waterfalls. So hence, went out and bought a GoPro Hero 5, and it's a phenomenal little camera. Um, it does help replace my other camera, which I had. Uh, so, yeah, it's a great little device. It's worth saving some money up and getting. Now then, the one thing is if you use it a lot, just like any other camera really, is the battery life in these isn't all that fantastic. You might get 45, 50 minutes if you're lucky. With these, they got GPS on them. They got voice control, or at least the 5s and higher. But you don't need those. You can just turn them off. I have. So it extends the life some. But you find yourself popping it open, taking the battery out, getting a replacement battery, putting it in here, closing it back up, sealing it up. Now we're waterproof again. Okay, now we can go for another 40, 45, 50 minutes. Okay, pretty cool. Or you might find yourself popping this open and taking the door off. I'm always afraid I'm going to break it. And then you can plug in a cord into a battery bank, and then attach the battery bank to your tripod or your GoPro stick, and you can run as long as the battery backup will, or the power bank. But the only problem with that at that point is it's no longer waterproof. So not happy. But a new product came out, and I was really excited about it. So I saved my dimes, and it's refuel from Digipower. It is a battery bank for GoPro 5s, GoPro 6s, and it can give, if you're shooting 4K, which I don't do a lot, hardly any, up to 6 hours. 8 hours for 1080 DP, which I pretty much shoot in, or 720, you can get up to 9 hours. Now then, do I really believe that I want to get that much time shooting video? No. And if I shoot that much, guys, I have a problem. But anyhow, this is a really cool gadget. Here it is. It's a frame and a battery bank. So you got your on-off button there. This is a port where you can open it up to recharge. You got 4 LEDs right there to indicate how much power you still have remaining. Nope. There's seals in here. This goes right there. That closes over. And bing, bada boom, we are in business. It's waterproof again. Let me repeat. It's waterproof again. And I can shoot up to, well, I'm going to say 7 hours. Stinking nice. So we got some instructions, which who reads those? Warranty information, and then we got some other stuff here. Hero mount, cord to recharge with, and a mount for a camera. Snaps in place, and so you can replace your old frame. Sorry about the table. With a new frame, which is also a battery bank, and I'm in business. Dun, 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 dun. How about that? So, I will be honest, it's got a little weight to it, not very much at all, but if it's on a tripod, you're gonna care. So, anyways, certainly look forward to using this on the outing at Grimes Canoe Base, and hopefully we'll have more to say about it during that trip, or maybe even beforehand. Might go out this weekend. It's supposed to get some rain. Who knows? Anyways, signing out.